This is me again. Let me see. Okay, this thing right here. I got a thing that's supposed to track me, and it's actually tracking me, and it's tracking me on my job site, so I can come here and kind of engage with you guys, and without me having to try to switch back and forth with my hands. So this is oh man, let me see, can I get it on? See, I can't get this stand up right, but it should be tracking me, guys. So we got the basement dug out here, guys. You can kind of see my basement here is dug out. Right back over here, guys, that's a 10-foot cut right there. So we got a 10-foot cut here, 10 foot right here. Now you actually got to do the offsets too now. So we made sure that we get our offsets as well. And the reason you want to make sure you get your offsets is that so your workers, your guys is doing the walls will have a place they'd be able to work. Okay. Also, you can kind of see right over here. I'm gonna just point right over here. So we got a pile of dirt, guys. That's gonna go right here. It's gonna go right here on the front, right here. So that's gonna, guys, this is gonna be okay. Now we also have a main level garage right over here, guys. So this right here, we didn't move this dirt right here. This is my main level garage. It's gonna be right over here. So when my guy come in and dig the footings, at least he'll have somewhere. Well, he'll dig over there. So this right here is actually gonna be filled up a little bit. We may have to take some of this dirt out, but we won't have to take that much. This should save us on gravel. So we ought to be gravel. Guys, I had about 6 loads of, nope, not 6 loads, 7, 8 loads of shrubbery to haul off here. So we just kind of, them loads, man, them loads can run you about $700, $800 a load, guys. So we just kind of see where we at. And then the excavate, man, we had about 4 days, but this is what you want to see, man. All this right here is graded off. So we got all this graded off. So right back here, this bad boy right here is gonna slope downward. Gosh, we're just not gonna be able to get a window back. We're not gonna be able to get a window back here. So I can go ahead and order my windows now, guys. We're probably gonna have a full, we're not gonna have a daylight basement. And I just have to look at it, man. We may be high enough to get I don't know, I'm gonna try to get a window right back over here in this corner over here. We'll see, but that's the garage over there. So the window had to go back right along in here. With that little tree sticking up over there, guys. Yeah, I see that little tree over there sticking up. Man, but this is what you want to see, guys. You can see, guys, and we got some good dirt here too, man. This is some good building soil. Let's kind of get up in here, man, and we'll look at it a little bit closer here. Yes, sir, buddy. This is some good dirt to build on right here, guys. I mean, you just, golly. Didn't hit no rock. Well, let me see. That actually looked like, that's just good, solid. He said this right here was some hard stuff here, buddy. This actually looked like rock, but it's not. It's actually clay. Yeah, it's actually clay here. Spray painted my offset right here. That's good. So they can get the, yeah. Oh man, tell you what, man. It's about my turn. It's time that we have a site like this, guys. I'm just gonna be honest with you, man. It's about time, man, that you have a site that is just not a headache. A site, the ground is good and solid. We ain't got no rock. Yeah. Well, I'm always interrupted when I'm trying to get these things done. But guys, you see we're at here, man. We got some really good dirt, really good soil here. When they dig the footings, I just don't want to hit no rock when I hit the footings. That's another thing. So, There's always a variable that can happen. But this is what you want it to look like, guys. This is really, really what you want your site to look like, man. I tell you what, man. Oh my goodness. Like I said, guys, it's about time for me to win 1 or 2 times, man, to get things that I don't have too much of a headache, you know. But I could think of it this way. I have dealt with all the problems. I've dealt with probably most of the problems to the point that nothing else is a problem for me anymore. So everything appears to be easy, you know. Now, see, we can get a window right over here somewhere, but we are going to have a retaining wall, guys. Looks like we're going to have a retaining wall. It's always something that's going to take away. We're going to have a retaining wall that just comes out here for the turnaround. It's going to have to slope down here. So we're going to have one through the front. The walls are going to go, it's going to come all the way around here. Just kind of see, the walls are going to come all the way around here, all the way around. And we're going to have walls right here in the front, right here. So this front is going to have a wall. And then we're going to take that dirt over there and put it in the front to level everything off. Then we have a little retaining wall here, but we also have a retaining wall over there on that side as well. So, you know, yeah, everything worked out good, but it'll end up costing somewhere. It's just trade-offs, guys. We're not gonna have a deck, guys. We're gonna have a patio. There's no way to get a deck out of this thing right here. We're gonna have a patio. But this guy does Ray. Hey man, thanks Ray, man. Ray does a really good job with that excavator. Matter of fact, that's his truck over there. All right, guys, this is what you want to see. And at the end of the day, it is what it is. And this is the way. I can't. All right, guys, so this is me again. This is Emmett, the Alpha Builder. All right, so typically, guys, the first thing you want to do, and this right here, I think this has a bucket. This bucket right here, man, is probably looks like about 2 feet. So this is what they're gonna use, this little Mini X. And this looks like some hard stuff, man. But you can see the blue right here might be red and blue. I think they went back and did it in blue. Blue is the outline of the footings. So you see right here. So, we have this is the front stoop. And I usually put these 2 little things right here on the front stoop so I have a place to put the stairs, okay? So we go here and you can kind of see this right here would be the storm shelter. You got this right here. And you got your little, there's a bay window area right here. It goes right here, guys. Now this is the furthest out. This is the box of the house. You got one up there. But this is the furthest most point of the house right here, guys. And you want to have a surveyor to come here and do this right here, man. You guys can see he drove a nail right here into the ground. And so got this right here, man. This is the you can see where we lead up to the next stake. So this right here be dug out. This would be footings right here. And along the way over here will be my walls. That's my walls. Retaining wall is going to go over there. But you kind of see right here. And, you want to, like I said, guys, you want to give these guys a little room to actually get back over here and work those walls. But all this right here will be footings. So we'll go. And, guys, it is important to understand that you need to have that surveyor come out here, a licensed surveyor, and come out here and do these. I don't know why they put this mark on the wall here, guys, but this is going to go right here. They got a pin right here for an offset. Yeah, these are the corners of the house, guys. So they'll dig all this right here. They'll dig right in the middle of this right here. This is where my guy put his pin at. Oh, this worked out. So now to go up here. Now up here, it's a little tricky here, guys. We're gonna have to step up. We'll step this up. Now typically, so guys, let's kind of go up here, guys. This is a main level garage. And this is some hard dirt too, guys, by the way. This is some hard stuff. It's kind of what you want to build on, man. But you don't want to get too hard, man, because you get too hard, then these guys actually put their little pins in here too. So you guys kind of can see this right here. This area right here is my main level garage. This right here area right here. The reason that I didn't have the excavator to dig this up, so we just left this here, because you're gonna have to dig up. You know, you're gonna have to fill this anyway. So it's better to just let. This is undisturbed soil. It's, you know, you can see right here, just really undisturbed soil. As long as it's undisturbed, you're good. If you disturb it, you got to take all this out. And you got to come back and refill this right here with gravel, which could possibly be, guys, you can get anywhere from, man, you could probably get anywhere from 15 loads of gravel just for this area right here. But the way it looks right now, we may end up with maybe, I don't know, 5-6 loads of gravel. I don't know. So after we dig, now, mind you guys, these guys right here has to dig. It has to dig to undisturbed ground. You can't dig on field. Like this right here would be a field right here. Somebody put this up here and compacted it, pushed it down. That still be considered field. But it's good that we got these guys on out here to start digging the footing. I wasn't expecting them until next week. But you know, we probably got rain coming out. So they'll step this up. Guys, they usually charge you a little bit more for these bulkheads when they're running it up like this right here. These guys will come in here and they'll do this. They'll get this guy going. And you know, usually take about a day or two. So they need to let me know when, you know, I need to reach out to them to find out when I need to get that concrete ready. Now, this right here, I don't think we'll have a problem with pulling in here and pouring this right here. I don't think you have an issue with the trucks, with not having to have a pump truck. I wouldn't think so. But now I know when we pour the walls, you know, we're gonna have that pump truck out here, because you know, you get up high over here. You know, that right there, you can actually pour that. If you got walls over there, that can be poured regular. Now maybe we just have to see, man. I may just have a pump truck come out for half a day. Depends on how we got it. Okay, guys. There we go. It's good to see these guys go ahead and do their thing.